I don't want to go up there.
Oh, sure.
Alright, we're over at the wigwam. There's the rolls of, looks like the fiber optic stuff. And up here, looked at my last video, Corey. This is where the towers were, and there's nothing there. It looks really funny now. And up here, there's one of the towers, looks like a temporary tower they're going to set up over here. Busy place. And here's the towers from over by the wigwam. They're both maybe about the same height. I kind of thought, yeah, they're about the same height. Well, they could have more of a permanent fix. Cold up here. Yeah, cellular. It's better, but I don't know. See the cables hooked in the bottom of the panel antennas. But it looks like they're just at the top. They definitely have an issue. Doesn't happen every day. How's that, Kate?
Good. Hey, can we go up and see the other ones? Ones that fell?
Nah, I would. No, that road's kind of rough. I'd love to, but it's down. The road goes in about 100 feet, maybe further than that. But because the towers are set back,
Dirt road.
It's kind of rough. I wouldn't. They probably just let media, you know, like TV stuff. But I don't see no TV stuff up here, do you?
No. Want to try?
No, I better not. I don't want to get arrested or anything.
Oh, brother.
Anyway, so that's what we got over here. There was more activity the other day, but you know, but right now, not a whole heck of a lot. But I thought I'd come up just to take video of these because that don't happen too often. So that's about it. But it looks like a temp tower up there. So all kinds of stuff going on. Alrighty, have a good one.